On top inside Edo today, Deputy Governor Philip Shaibu don host 15th edition of Media Practitioners for Edo. His Excellency Right Honourable Philip Shaibu don host another gathering to celebrate media people for Edo State. Every 20th of December, im dey host media practitioners, but because 20th na on Sunday, dem come push am to Monday 21st.
It will have been yesterday, but you know we are very religious here, and we decided I will make it today, 21st of December.
On Monday 21st of December, media pipo for Benin come residents of the deputy to take celebrate the 13th annual gathering wey Philip Shaibu start for 2007 when he dey House of Representatives.
It's a point of duty that we all come together to share love and share friendship. I'm sure when we gathered this morning and we started exchanging pleasantry, there are some of us that we have not seen each other for the past 1 year, 2 months, 3 months, and a time to exchange greetings and to know how we are all feeling. So if that is the only thing we have achieved, I think we have achieved a lot of things. And for us to also share the little we have together, that is the love that God has asked us to consistently obey. Love your neighbor as yourself. For me, it's a continuous relationship and bonding between the journalist profession and me, that is associate journalist. Abichama, am I not an associate journalist?
Right Honourable Philip Shaibu come thank the media and journalists for their unending effort of being relevant to the world. Im tok say im go dey grateful to journalists and continue to support dem, because if not for one journalist wey write about im imprisonment when e dey crucial prison, e no go know where e for dey by now, and dat na why e always dey hold the gathering of media personnel make dem for chop and enjoy themselves for the ogbonge work wey dem dey do.
God help me, but God used a journalist to save my life in Bushra prisons. You can see why I cannot but always attach myself with that profession, because somebody had the courage to use his pen to write, to say you have released every other person, but there are still these ones in so prisons. And the military denied, but the guy was consistent, Jacob. That is his name. And at the end of the day, they discovered we were those that were abandoned in Bushra prisons. And we were eventually released. If I was not released that time, you can imagine where I would have been, maybe 6 feet. So I need us to take lessons from this. Let's use our biro to do justice to things. Don't compromise. Don't compromise.
Oga Governor come urge the press make dem continue the good work and make dem no forget say na dem dey do justice to the society with their pen and paper.
I like quoting Adanso Shomole when I talk. He said when we visited him in Iyamu, the governor and I and all of us, a journalist asked him, your brother has come to felicitate with you on this Salah day. What do you have to say about his coming? Vis-a-vis what we are hearing about the frustrating relationship. I say, you see, you journalists are the one that caused this problem. How can my own brother and my son and my family come to greet me and you are talking about frustration? You are the people causing this thing. And at the end of the day, the following 2 days after, the same person was not talking opposite, was saying negative things about the people he called his family and brother. So I expect the same journalist that asked that question, that he attacked, to now play back what he said earlier and now play what he was not saying. And let the people now be the one to judge who is the one causing problem. Is it the journalist or him? When you play the two tape, that two tape will have answered the question. That is what they call investigative journalism. That is what it should be. Because when we don't do that, they continue to accuse us as the one causing the trouble. Whereas you are just reporting what you know is happening. And if you don't report it the way you should report it, you become the person that is being accused for promoting disunity or crisis. And when you do that, Nigeria will be a better place for all of us. I want to thank all of you and to let you know, Aluta Continua victory is obviously there for all of us. God bless you all.
I was a bit young in the profession when we started meeting this way. And I recall that we used to meet you then in the legislative quarters. We started with Comrade Aliu and some others. And the church was just for that purpose. And thereafter, God elevated you to the House of Representatives. And it continued. And moment after that, you became the Deputy Governor of Edo State. And the first tenure, we were all here. And second tenure, we are still here. I want to finish the tenure with you. And it's our prayer that moment after that, the way God started elevating you from Edo State House of Assembly to House of Representatives to Deputy Governor, we hope to also elevate you to another level where we always meet here again. I do not be so, my people. So I joined all my colleagues. There is a Benin parable that says, I did our backbone. Oh, we know. Let me interpret. The Benin parable says that you don't eat somebody's food and fight the person. When you eat the person's food, you finish it up with the person. I'm a Catholic by faith, and I know that all of us believe in the efficacy of God. I will continue to adore Him. So I want to join my colleagues here to say thank you and thank you. By the grace of God, this same arena will be here with you as the Deputy Governor of Edo State. No shaking. Thank you very much, sir.
This one na the ogbonge information we carry come give una. On top inside Edo today, as Deputy Governor Philip Shaibu don host 15th edition of Media Practitioners for Edo State. Make una sabi say na TMC TV na im carry this ogbonge information come give una. My name na Innocent Eikweme from Benin.
Like this,